When we started producing this song, we couldn't go much, electronic into the production because we tried it, but then it was killing the feel and सारा emotion जो है वो break हो रहा था. So Aditya Dev, who's a great music producer, he really did something which just turned the game. I'll just play something for you. And then we started with something like this, an EP. And you remember how the song starts? It starts with a very interesting rhythm percussion, and which is actually a bell percussion. This is this. And with a very cool guitar, this thing, slide. I remember, the first notes of Tera Yaar Hoon Main were very कुछ अलग ही थे, and until Love Sir came again and he heard what I had made, and he was not very happy, and then he said, okay, hold on, I think you are under pressure. And I said yes, of course, because आपने बोला कि भाई तेरे को एक friendship anthem बनाना है, तो of course I was under pressure. So he said that, okay, let me show you the footage of the film. So then he went back. I saw where the song is coming, and that gave me a very different perspective. That okay, these friends are, it's a make or break point in these two friends, and then I approached the song with a very different approach, with a very different angle. I remember I think I have saved the first draft. Probably I might have it on my phone. Okay, so Tera Yaar options. I think this is the option जो मैंने finalize किया था 4th November 2017. Let. तू जो रूठा तो कौन रहेगा? Very embarrassing. Yeah. तू जो झूठा तो कौन हंसेगा? दरा दे दरा 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 बेकार हूँ मैं बेकार हूँ मैं. So I remember, so it went like Tera yaar hoon main, Tera yaar hoon main. And then when I saw the footage, I thought that okay, this point needs to have an emo dip, and I researched on songs internationally. बहुत सारे songs हैं, बहुत सारे bands, Nirvana, Led Zepp, ये emo dips use करते हैं अपने गानों में, right? So and then I thought that how by coming to this level of मैं कार हूँ कैसे emotional dip लेके आए, and then we came up with तेरा यार हूँ मैं, and I think that clicked the best. तेरा यार हूँ मैं. So when the emotional dip came, we thought that यहाँ पर हमको कुछ डालना चाहिए, because only the guitars were not suffice, and फिर पूरा गाना एक acoustic गाना हो जाता है, गिटार का ये सिर्फ हो जाता है. And we tried a lot of instruments. We tried flute, we tried sarangi, we tried I think एक जल तरंग try किया हमने, because this melody of na 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 na, I wanted this melody. So Aditya, he took this violin piece, for example, and then he EQ'd it in a very beautiful way, and I'll try to just show what we kind of did. We just cut the highs and we increase the mids. So this was the sound that was created, and this resonated like. begin हो चुकी है, ये चल रहा है साथ साथ. This is shaker, this is a kick. And then this is high perk. This is a tambourine, reverb में डूबा हुआ. And then there's a very interesting cajon. शादी का एक जो गाना है, शादी का जो एक माहौल है, उसमें कैसे हम अपने गाने को लेकर आते हैं, वो चैलेंज था सबसे बड़ा. एंड देन यू नो एक कॉर्ड प्रोग्रेशन था जो हम so B flat से then we shifted, we transposed it to G, you know, so तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ. You know, so that was a very interesting chord progression जहाँ पे then we added some folk elements, we added harmonium, we added dholak. I'll just play it to you. Tuck, tuck it, tuck it, tuck. This is the dholak that we recorded. And ये ढोलक का भी बड़ा किस्सा था because हमको बहुत पुरानी पंजाब की ढोलक हमको चाहिए थी, you know, because it was shown as a Punjabi wedding and Punjabi family, so we wanted to go as authentic as we could. So we recorded all the dholaks, we recorded like 3-4 dholaks, but you know, then we deleted all the dholaks, we just kept one mono dholak, right? कई बार हम स्टीरियो करने के लिए, इमेज करने के लिए ताकि अच्छा साउंड करे, बट कई बार इमोशन के लिए आपको सिर्फ एक ऑडियंस को ये बताना है कि एक ढोलक बज रही है, you know. So yeah, so आप देखेंगे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत you know फोन पे रिकॉर्ड की हुई है, लेकिन इस साउंड को अचीव करने के लिए हमने 2-3 घंटे लगाए हैं, you know. So इसके साथ there is this snaps and then kick अपनी बज रही है यहाँ पर, shakers, yeah. टूटा है तो जुड़ा है क्यों. So then we are coming now to the climax of the song, and therefore you know, a very dramatic piece of acoustic drums and some electric guitars kick in. So these are like dramatic pianos. क्यों मेरी तरफ तू मुड़ा है, क्यों हक नहीं तू ये कहे, ना 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 हम ना रहे. Also some heavy staccato strings. So this rhythm piece, you know, I really loved, जो cajon और drums और एक you know एक electronic kick के साथ आ रहा था. A lot happening, you know, and it is basically describing the tension in the song as well as the intensity of the entire tune, yeah. Tera yaar hoon main. This never made the part of the audio. ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग हमने लास्ट में एक पीस बनाया था, ना 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 ना, which went actually in the film, but audio में नहीं था. I'll just play it to you.